Hey. Hi Tim.
Hi Kim.
Long time no see.
Yes, actually, busy with my high school studies.
Great.
Then what are you doing now?
Actually I will going to US next week.
Wow, superb Kim.
Thank you. What you are going to do after high school?
I wish to do my college in America. So I am arranging my things for that.
Cool. America is the dream city for many people.
Exactly, mine too.
There are lots of fun facts in America and it is a billionaire world.
Yes. Actually, I am trying to get seat in Harvard University.
Oh nice. Harvard was the first university in the United States.
Yes. The school was founded in 1636 in Cambridge. Every 100 applications that Harvard receives yearly, around 95 are tossed out.
Commercial filming on university grounds is banned at Harvard and it has been a no-film zone since 1970.
And Harvard has the largest academic endowment in the world, $40.9 billion in 2021. The interest from this endowment alone can buy you a private island.
Really? Did you know the fact? If you have a $10 bill and no debt, you are wealthier than 15% of all American citizens. The American way is to borrow money to buy the things you don't have.
Oh, really?
Total U.S. consumer debt is at $14.9 trillion. That includes mortgages, auto loans, credit cards and student loans, medical debt, mortgages, car loans. And the Federal Reserve found that a huge portion of the population has negative net value.
Oh, here's why they look more richer than most other citizens.
Yeah.
And you know one thing, Kim. More people live in New York City than in 40 out of 50 states. New York City may be geographically tiny, but it's home to 8.5 million people and growing. That's more bodies crammed into one location than the whole wide countryside, including 40 other states. New York is also home to the most billionaires, and there are more women than men in New York. There is a birth in New York every 4.4 minutes.
Interesting. I heard that in the US, 40% of babies are born to unmarried women.
What are you saying?
Yeah, Tim, it wasn't always this way, but for the 8th year in a row, a whopping 40% of all babies were born to unwed mothers. That's in stark contrast to 1940, when just 3.8% of babies had unmarried parents. That number didn't hit 10% until 1969. But now it is 40%. Resources says that rising income inequality and scarcity of jobs cause young Americans reluctant to make the long-term commitment of marriage.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Then how do you manage in US?
Actually plan to work part-time in any shop like McDonald's.
Oh. Great. I have experience on working in McDonald's.
Nice. McDonald's company has employed a huge number of Americans. 1 in 8 people in the United States has been employed by McDonald's. Perhaps that's why everyone from high school kids to working parents and retirees has donned the uniform and flipped burgers.
In fact, McDonald's hires around 1 million workers every year in the United States.
Yes, it is not enough for cities like New York.
But US ripe large amounts of yields too. Kansas produces enough wheat in 1 year to feed everyone in the world for 2 weeks. There was a logical way to transport and distribute all the wheat in Kansas around the world, then no one would go hungry for 2 weeks, except everyone who avoids gluten.
It's all just proof of how important farmers are and how big Kansas is.
Yeah, you are right.
And I heard that in some states, there are more cows than people. According to nearly 10 states like Walks, Montana, Iowa, Kansas, have less humans than cattle. In these states combined, there are more than 32 million cows.
Yeah. I know that. The number one industry in this state is agriculture, and livestock accounts for 2/3 of it. There are approximately 2.6 million cattle in Montana and just over 1 million humans residing there.
They give importance to agriculture.
Yeah, and to food also. Because the fact remains that 1 in 3 Americans qualifies as obese according to BMI charts. Associated illnesses cost the nation $315 billion in healthcare expenses, and it keeps getting worse and more expensive every year.
Yeah, and the obese American population spends approximately $147 billion per year in added medical expenses. A 2007 study found that receiving food stamps long term was associated with a 50% increased obesity rate among female adults.
It sounds weird.
Yes, it is.
And an article says that the average American throws away 4.4 pounds of trash daily.
Really?
The average American consumer produces just 4.9 pounds of trash each day, while a family creates about 18 pounds. When you take into account America's population, that means that around 1.4 billion pounds of trash gets thrown out in the United States every single day.
Oh God.
The US only composts and recycles about half that much material at 34.6%. This makes a nation of some of the most wasteful people on the entire planet.
Did you know about Liberty Statue?
Yes, it is in New York.
Actually, the Statue of Liberty isn't in New York.
Oh.
The Statue of Liberty, which adorns pretty much every bit of tourist memorabilia you can purchase in the Big Apple, is actually not located in New York City at all. It's technically in New Jersey. The copper statue was a gift from France to the United States in October 1886. It was given as a gift to celebrate the centenary of the American Revolution and the friendship among the two countries.
Wow.
And I think English is their language.
You know what? There is no official language in the United States. Most people speak English, a huge portion of people speak Spanish, and if you speak just about any other language, you're bound to find a community of folks who share that same form of communication. There are more than 350 languages spoken in the US. The United States has more Spanish speakers than Spain, and California is a hotspot for different languages.
Oh, California. Actually, Kim, did you know about grizzly bears?
Grizzly bears.
Yes. The animal, the state's official animal of California. But the fact is, California's state animal doesn't exist in California. Before the mid-1800s, thousands of grizzly bears could be found across California, so much that the animal became the state's official animal. Nowadays, all of the grizzlies are gone. This rebel flag became the basis for the state flag of California, and then California was known as the Bear State.
Bear State. Do you know about Nutty Narrow Bridge? There's a town in Washington with treetop bridges made specifically to help squirrels cross the street.
For squirrels.
Yeah. Before the bridge was built, squirrels had to avoid speeding traffic by running across the street to eat a nutty feast at an office building and back again to a park with large trees. After seeing many squirrels being flattened, Amos Peter decided to protect squirrels and give them a way to cross a busy thoroughfare without getting killed by passing cars.
Wow, what a cute thing. You know what, Kim? US is also for tourists too. Las Vegas is home to more than half of the 20 largest hotels in the world. There are more than 150 casinos and at least 150,000 hotel, motel rooms in the Las Vegas Valley area. Gambling generally accounts for slightly over 43% of Las Vegas casinos' revenue. With its millions of lights, Las Vegas is considered the brightest spot on earth. It would take you more than 400 years to spend a night in all of Las Vegas's hotel rooms. It's called a Sin City.
I am really excited about going to US.
I am too, Kim. Once I finished my arrangements, I am also going to US.
Yeah. If we get a chance, we will meet there.
Sure, Kim.